Alright, so here is the Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. And, first of all, again, a leg problem. So I'm going to do the same fix I did before with that. And you can see no paint apps again. Couple of scrapes on the helmet. Still stands good.
Dino power.
Your sound effects still work. And of course, the little triangle piece on the back needed to be finished, as well as some detailing on the morpher. Okay, so now to fix it. Okay, it was the Dino Thunder Blue Ranger all finished up. Now, obviously, I filled in the blue morpher, colored it in, took care of these white sections here, these white sections here, here, and these sections here in the back. Weapons nice and painted. No shaking that, let's easy standing.
Dino power.
Still works. And instead of using silver, I chromed up the horns on the plate, on the helmet. So that's that. And you can I can put them in a pose. There we go. Nice little action faux pose. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.